welcome back to my channel. This is Basil here. So we have a new skill to learn. So I have seen many people spinning pen or pencil with their fingers, and I always thought what a cool skill, right? And I always wished I could do that. But the lazy side of mine just didn't want to learn. But now I have decided to give it. So when I searched on YouTube, I found a really awesome video. So these guys are really awesome, and this video gave me more inspiration to try it. So when I watched this video, I figured out that the length and the weight are really factors that can affect the spin. So the pens they are using are modified and heavier, which gives them the ease to do this. But we are not professional, we just need to try this with a normal pen, like this. You know, when we are sitting in an exam hall, when we have nothing to do, trust me, I have been there. So there are many ways you can rotate a pen. First I'm going to learn this. So this trick is called the reverse thumb around. So it is actually rotating around the thumb, specifically around the knuckles of the thumb. So to do this, you need to hold the pen in between the middle and the index fingers. And the middle part of the pen should rest below the thumb, just like this. By applying a little pressure by the thumb on the pen, all you need to do is you need to release the pressure from the thumb, and at the same time you need to drag the pen with the middle and the index fingers, just like this. It will give a rotation motion. So after an hour, the spin was consistent, but the only problem was that the pen didn't come to its starting position. Instead, it just loses balance and falls off. So after falling for over 100 times, it finally became fluent. So the second trick I want to learn is this. For that, you will need to hold the pen in between the middle and the ring fingers. So I started to try that out. But no matter how hard I tried, it just didn't spin. Instead, it just goes up and down on a single plane. But this is not a one. Doing it for a while, I figured out what to do, what the mistake was. So you need to try to give the ring finger a forward-backward motion, holding the middle finger static. By doing this, the pen will get a rotation. After practicing for an hour, it really started to spin, but the spin was not consistent. After about 1.5 hours of practice, it became really consistent and fluent. So I just wanted to say that making these kind of videos are really tough. It takes a lot of time and effort because I have to learn these skills. At the same time, I have to shoot them, and in the post I have to edit them, so it takes a lot of time actually. And I post 2 videos a week, so to support me it will be really helpful if you do subscribe to this channel. And if you found this video interesting, if you found this video useful or entertaining, please leave a like.